Deep in the heart of a mysterious jungle, a treasure lies hidden. The Lego Parrot, a colorful guide, knows where it is concealed. The jungle is alive with sounds. As the intrepid explorer begins their adventure, the Lego Parrot nods eagerly, ready to uncover the jungle jewel. With each step, they move closer to uncovering the jungle's greatest secret. Vines twist like serpents around the giant, ancient trees. A glimmer of light catches the explorer's eye, suggesting the presence of the hidden jewel. The Lego Parrot chirps in agreement, sensing something special. The path to the jungle jewel tests their courage and wits at every turn. From shadows, eyes watch and unseen creatures rustle the leaves. Finally, after many trials, they stand before the concealed entrance of a hidden temple. The jungle seems to hold its breath in awe. Inside the temple, ancient carvings tell the story of the jungle jewel's power. A legend that promises both wisdom and adventure awaits. Finally, the jewel glistens in a shaft of sunlight, illuminating the temple. It represents knowledge, courage, and kindness, the true treasures of life. As they emerge victorious, they realize it wasn't just about finding the jewel. Their adventure has taught them the jungle's enduring wisdom. Friendship and understanding are the jewels they take home, more precious than gold. Their story continues, inspiring others to explore and learn.